namangana abwatraniti omugiro bwa Borokia University oyu aberiko kugendera aza chiki isato bono kubwatikana muno mugiro oyu nigo aborokigwa besokire na kurwa ebirengero byabo asobanya ko bakwarera amange anamo namakomwari babera gwetira chingaki omugiro oyu ogenderete munagotume muri kito Daniel Nteri
Tichikane mugaso hasegete kiga ki University ya Kisii yegotoka ime yomo chubosongo mubaro bwaborokigwa nigorekanire gokea kubwatekana n'umugiro bwaborokie babo nzachinde hagati yaborokigwa bakale chinka gose bakale gwesomera hasi chinyomba cyabo umugiro yiga nigo chagete hase heiki ya kabere bono kolete milindo hase sekta y'ikisemi igento haborokiwa baiga bakwanira ubube tayare bwabanalirie.
We're supposed to be studying on normal occasions, and apparently we are not studying because of the strike that is going on, and it's really affecting most of us because some of us were given food from home. The food has ended. There's no teaching taking place. We are not doing anything. And it's really affecting us. The money we were given from home, the money is over. And parents are asking us to go back home. Some of us don't even have the fare to go back home.
Like it may affect hizo ma classes since like hadi nasumbuka like kukaa kwa daa kwa keja. You like na kuinawa juizi na stool na food. Like class ilikuwa inaniokolea at least naenda kitukata saa 2 vidaro. Nikirudi narudi jioni hapa hivyo like at least nimesikia hiyo lunch time so no like mean affect sana so like so nahangaika hakuna hustle
korengana na barabo obogima tayari bwachakire kubakongera asoko burwa hegati ya maganyo yengencho obwoba bokoire na inse ke masomo na gosoma asigeka
tu nangoja tu like we are just left stranded atujua atarisimu lini
omugiro iga nigo boigo oirire gati yobonchiria koire nanse na monasi sekta yobosombi nechinga kecho boigo abarokigwa baiga bakwanira ogosemeri kwabo hase wizara gokoro kwigwana na baiga bako bamegerio eliyoere nako bachinga kichinyeroro chigokora masomo abo
need to act positively to this issue of the ongoing strike at least our lecturers to consume back to our classes. It is going to boost even our creativity and it is going to help us to grow well. Again, it is going to boost our knowledge the way we had expected when we were working hard and smart from high school.
We don't want to repeat one full year because there was a strike going on and we didn't get to learn some semesters. Yeah, it will affect our graduation and the year we are supposed to finish school. Yet we have some plans, you know, we have plans for the future. So all we're asking is the government to comply and pay our able lecturers.
Nkurubutere gataseni kya Getembe kurega se kaunti ya Kisii litere nenguru kwa Daniel Nteri.